Hi, it's the 30th of March and today I'm going to do an introduction to smart contracts. In previous YouTube videos, I explained that Bitcoin allows for the automation of the transfer of value between two individuals. I can send Bitcoin from me to you without requiring a bank or a human in the middle. Bitcoin is also programmable money. And this means that rather than being a physical cash note or a number in a bank's database, Bitcoin can be moved around like email. A key feature of Bitcoin is that once I've sent Bitcoin from me to you, there is no way for me to get those Bitcoin back without getting the agreement of you first. Now, if you do a bank transfer, for example, you may have a few hours to cancel that bank transfer. But once Bitcoin are transferred and logged on the blockchain, there is finality. Now, this has some advantages and some disadvantages. One key advantage is that it enables smart contracts. The pioneer of smart contracts, Nick Szabo, defines smart contracts as a computerized transaction protocol that executes the terms of a contract. You do not need to rely on lawyers or courts because the code will execute the terms of the contract for you. Now, let's try to elucidate smart contracts using some examples. Let's say I am interested in purchasing an ebook, but I am unsure whether I'll enjoy this ebook and unsure whether I'll get to the end. I could enter into a smart contract with the author of this ebook such that the payment to the author is dependent on how many pages I get through in the book. If I only read a few pages, the author will receive a small amount of Bitcoin, but if I reach the end of this ebook, the author will receive the full purchase price of the ebook. Now, this is all done in an automated fashion. The contract is coded in advance, and I cannot claim to have not finished the book because the code knows better and the code has already sent Bitcoin to the author. An even more revolutionary example is the example of a DAO, or a decentralized autonomous organization, and you can build these on the Ethereum blockchain. If I am a shareholder in this DAO or this company, and I am perhaps promised fixed dividends, rather than requiring legal contracts or lawyers or courts, this fixed dividend can be coded in advance, and so I know, or I have certainty, that I will receive these dividends in future. Now, if these two examples haven't boggled your mind, how about this? IBM and Samsung built a prototype washing machine that was able to detect when it was out of washing powder, reorder that washing powder, and pay from a digital wallet associated with that washing machine, all without any human involvement whatsoever. So as you can see, the future is coming, it's exciting, and it's just a little bit mind-boggling.